What's good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here it is MintKrypt. First time coming across my channel, make sure you subscribe and also turn on your post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. As you all know, this channel is on how to make money participating in Airdrop, making money through cryptocurrency, making money through earning apps and lots like that. Okay, so in today's video I'll be taking you through the Xenea Wallet Airdrop. I know most of us are already participating in this particular project. In today's video, I'll just be taking us through on how to get started if you've not started mining the Xenea Points. So this Xenea project is just like the grass project, and we have a lot of tasks you can participate in to increase the amount of token, the amount of gems you're having. You see, they're presently on season 2. For every task you be performing here, you just be getting gems. I've been able to get 27,000 gems for season 2. This is your Twitter page, and this project is a layer 1 project. You see it here. Okay, so let me just go over to my Telegram channel. I have my Telegram channel where I drop daily updates on Airdrop. I drop this update around October 12. You see it here. So what you just have to do is you just have to join using the link here. Then you'll be seeing an invitation code here. So make sure you use the invitation code. Then you have to go ahead to download the Xenea wallet from Play Store. Okay, like I showed us on my mobile phone, this is the app. You just have to go over to Play Store to download the Xenea wallet. Okay, so let me just go ahead and search for Xenea here. Here we have Xenea. So you see, I already installed the app. Just go ahead to install the app. Then you have to make sure you bind the invitation code when you're registering. So you can register with your Google account. I use Google account to register. Then you'll be given 1,000 gems. So you see, I was given 1,000 gems here. Then you have to go to mission to perform all the tasks. So here we have the app. Once you've registered, you'll be seeing a dashboard like this. Then you have to go over to mission and complete the tasks. Just come over to this mission. Then you'll be seeing all the available mission you have to complete. So we have about 3 missions you have to complete. We have the Xenea tax here. We have the this UPSOR protocol tax, and we also have this extra protocol tax. So for this extra, you have to complete all your tax here. So you see, I already completed the Telegram binding here, Discord and Twitter binding here. So you see this 12 of 12 quiz. I just dropped the update for the second part of the quiz yesterday. So you see it on my Telegram channel. Okay, so you see the answer I just dropped. You see for the Xenea update extra campaign quiz 2. So this is the second part of quiz 2. That is the answer ACCBBA. So just go ahead to answer that. If you want to get the first answer, I already dropped the answer, so you see it here. You see the answer here. You can get up to 1,000 points, that is 1,000 gems, and also do daily checking. Just click on it. I was given 109 gems for this upside. I've been able to accumulate 6,500 gems for this. And when we scroll down, we'll see the quiz also. I already completed the 15 quiz. All the answers are on my Telegram channel. You see it here. This is the answer here. So you can just come over to my Telegram channel. Then just go ahead to search for Xenea. So once you just search for Xenea, all the related posts will be coming out. We have this event. It's coming up on April 11, and you'll be getting 2,000 gems point for this. You have to enter the code here to get our 2,000 points. I'll be dropping the updates about the code on my Telegram channel. You've seen some other tags here. That is the Twitter binding, following them on Twitter and also Telegram. So I just click on this check-in bonus to get, let's say, 100. You see, I was given 100 gems points here. I already completed the UPSOR protocol and also the extra. So I need to go over to the Xenea tax. Been able to accumulate for the 2,000 gems for this. So we have the daily quiz section. I'll be getting about 100 gems or 20. If I don't get the answer correctly, I'll be giving 20 gems, but if I get the answer correctly, I'll be giving 100 gems. When you invite your friend, so you'll be giving 1,000 gems for every invite you are getting. To see the Zilly tags, just go ahead to integrate your account, and you also be saying the Telegram. Just go ahead to bind your Telegram, go ahead to bind your Discord, go ahead to bind your Twitter. I'll be saying this at theory tags. This one is just for you to spin. Once I click on 100, it will take me to the page where I'll be asked to spin. So you see the total spin reward I've been able to get 23,000 gems. So, and I'm still having about 31 spin left to perform. I was given one spin, so I can spin again. Okay, so let's see what I will be getting. I just got 100 Xenea points. So you can use this to increase the amount of gems you're having. So you see, just use spinning, you'll be giving 100 gems. So you can come over to be doing this every day. Once you perform the mission, then you have to complete a daily check-in for gems. So just come over to this home. When you come over to home, then you'll be seeing this claim your daily reward. I just have to click on it. I was given 90 gems. The section for mining has been added already, and for you to start mining, you need to have about 10,000 points. Yeah, I think it's 10,000 points for you to start mining from their mining pool. You see, presently I'm mining, and this is the total amount I've been able to mine. I already showed us not to get your referral link. Just come out to this mission, then you see this invite more friends to get 1,000 Xenea points. So you can continue playing this at 3. Just click on this end. So I'll just be performing a daily quiz right now. So I just click on this start quiz. I already dropped the answer on my Telegram channel. I'm going to select the answer here, then I'll click on submit. I'll be giving 100 gems point for this. Already taking us through what you have to do. Just download the app, go over to mission, make sure you complete all your mission so you can join season 2 right now, because season 1 already ended. So you can come over to join season 2 right now, complete all the mission, the Xenea Points mission, the Upsaw mission, the extra mission to get a particular amount. Once you've been able to accumulate 10,000 gems, the mining will start automatically for you. Okay, so I'll be dropping more updates about the listing of this project. So guys, that will be all for this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this video, and also remember to turn on your post notification icon so you won't be missing any update I'll be dropping on this channel. Bye guys, see you in my next video.